Ki bor pulit ha Shillong ki lapentip pa ka jinglong jingman ha ka Nongbah menta ka dang jai bat hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ki bor peniat an. Superintendent of Police City ulaong ba hadu menta omdon ganu ka jingkulmar ha Shillong wat hapdeng ka jingya kulmar ka padangshen ha ka than Garo Hills. Ki pulit ki lapen klan ya ka patrolling ha ki benta ki ba ki patba ki jukhen kum ki chaka ki badon kam jingyara shu henrei ka jinglong jingman ha ka Nongbah kadang don hapo ka jingte lakam. USP ulaong ru ba ki pulit ki dangnya trailang bat ki patba snong bat ki dorbal snong bat ki jingya trailang na ki snong ki thau kalong ka bakongsan ban penne ya ka syongsuk songsan ha ka Nongbah. Nalor kani ki bor pulit ki dang pet ngor bha ya ki social media khnang ban khanglat ya ki jing sapreng jong ki khubor hamsaya ki bala ban penkulmar ya ka jing syongsuk ha ka imlang salang. Shushu ki pulit ki lapen kreru ya ki lat jingada na benta kinu ki jingalang patba ni jingaki patba ki bala panlong ha ki sngi banwan ta ka jingthu ban pentikna bakin long ha ka rukom ka bajai bat ka basuk. Kibor pulit kila pen pau bakindang peteng ban ya trailang bat kisnong kitau bat kan pen klan ya ka jingpet ngor knang ba Nongbah Shillong kandang peteng bat long ka suk songsan.
So we are also constantly monitoring the social media, like you rightly said, rumors. They spread very fast. But till this point is concerned, we did not have felt the need to take action based on any chatter that is going on in the social media regarding the developments in the Garo Hills. So regarding the demonstration for tomorrow, arrangements have been made to ensure that everything happens peacefully and that no untoward incident happens. We have enough resources to ensure that the situation in Shillong city and in other parts of the district remains peaceful as it is till now. So we are in touch with the local Darbar Shlongs. We have intensified patrolling in the areas. We are monitoring social media to prevent any rumor mongering from people who might try to disturb the law and order situation and the communal harmony in the city of Shillong.